May kembot ako. Pumunta ako sa museo ni Mariano Ponce sa Baliwag, Bulacan. Hindi siya masyadong kilala pero gaya ni Rizal, Del Pilar at Lopez Haina, isa siya sa mga nagtaguyod ng propaganda movement at ng Philippine Revolution. I am Mona Magno Veluz, I hunt down ancestors and chase fascinating stories in Philippine history. Mariano Ponce y Colliantes was born in Baliwag, Bulacan in 1863. Ang papa at lolo niya, ang recorded na apelido ay Ponce Ignacio. We can trace their family's residency in Baliwag through church records dating back to the 1770s. Madalas itanong, kaano-ano niya si Juan Ponce Enrile? Sinilip natin ang baptismal certificate ng papa ni JPE na si Alfonso Ponce Enrile. Ipinanganak din siya sa Baliwag. Sinabi ng dokumento na ang papa ng bata ay si Damaso at ang lolo ay si Mariano Ponce Ignacio. Suma-suma, Damaso Ponce is the half-brother of Mariano Ponce, which makes Mariano Enrile's grand uncle. Balik tayo kay Mariano Ponce. He studied medicine at the University of Santo Tomas before leaving for Madrid to further his studies. Pero medyo nagbago ang landas niya. Kasama ni na Jose Rizal, Marcelo H. Del Pilar at Graciano Lopez Haina, he co-founded La Solidaridad, the newspaper that became the voice of Filipino reformists. He wrote about Philippine history, politics, and society under colorful pen names such as Naning, Kalipulaco, and even Tikbalang. Sa picture na ito, si Mariano Ponce ang nakaupo. Tinanong ko yung OIC ng museum na si Crisel Patricia Crescencio, bakit ganyan ang pose niya? Parang pabebe. Ang explanation came from stories passed down in the Ponce family. Si Rizal at Del Pilar halos magkatangkad, 5'2"-ish. Si Mariano Ponce was around 5'5", mas matangkad siya. So para maganda yung kuha, pinaupo siya. Sidebar, he is often mislabeled in this photo as Graciano Lopez Haina. Sa totoo lang, ang lakas maka-generic ng bigote nung panahon na yon. When the Philippine Revolution began, Emilio Aguinaldo sent Ponce to Japan as the first Philippine Republic's diplomatic representative. Ang mission niya to convince Japan to support the Filipino Revolution and secretly purchase arms for Filipino fighters. Sa Japan, he met another revolutionary in exile, Dr. Sun Yat-sen, who would later become the founding father of modern China. The two became close friends and soon even helped Ponce acquire weapons for the revolution. Pero hindi umabot sa Pilipinas ang shipment. May bagyo na nagpalubog sa barko malapit sa Formosa. Hindi lang yun ang ginawa niya sa Japan. Nanligaw din si Lolo Mariano. Ponce fell in love and married Okiyo Udanwara. Tumira sila malapit sa Yokohama. Tumira rin ang pamilya sa Hong Kong at noong 1899 sa bahay nila tumira si Juan Luna. Tandaan natin, Mariano Ponce was a doctor. Pues, he was Juan Luna's physician when Luna died in Hong Kong that year. And he was also the physician of Marcelo H. Del Pilar when Del Pilar died in Spain in 1896. Medyo malas siya as a doctor. After the war, Ponce returned home, founded the newspaper El Ideal, the official newsletter of the Partido Nacionalista, served as Bulacan's representative in the National Assembly, and wrote extensively about Philippine history and the revolution. Naniniwala siya na ang isang bansa ay hindi lang nabubuo sa pamamagitan ng armas, kung hindi sa pamamagitan ng wika, kasaysayan at pagkakakilanlan. Noong 1918, bibisitahin sana niya ang kaibigan niyang si Dr. Sun Yat-sen. Kasama yung panganay niyang si Pedro, nagbiyahe sila, pero nagkasakit siya at namatay sa ospital sa Hong Kong. Gaya ng mga kaibigan niyang sina Marcelo H. Del Pilar at Juan Luna, sa ibang bayan siya namatay. Binalik ang bangkay ni Ponce sa Pilipinas at nilibing muna siya sa Cementerio del Norte bago siya inilipat sa Baliwag Catholic Cemetery. Nakabisita rin po ako sa huling hantungan niya. Kung magawi kayo sa Baliwag, dumaan kayo sa museo ni Mariano Ponce. The museum reminds us that revolutions are won not only by soldiers on the battlefield, but also by writers, diplomats, and bridge builders who fought with ideas, alliances, and words. Para sa akin, ito ang legacy ni Mariano Ponce. O, diba?
Meow meow.